Welcome to smallstoploss.in and speedearning.in. We are here to discuss the investment operations today. I am giving you an experiment to assure the returns in stock market. There are so many questions when you are going to invest in stock market. You are having a big fear of fluctuations. You are having a fear of indecision. It is very difficult to decide what is to be bought and what is to be sold, and you just want to time the market, and it is not feasible. You can't time the market. So when you are going to invest in stock market, then there should be a general rule which is applicable for all. There are so many professionals, some of them are not having the time, enough time to do anything. And I am telling you one thing, if you are having a single minute in a single month, you can make a very good portfolio in that single minute. So how is it possible? If you are going through this experiment, it will be very clear to you. So you just see on the screen, suppose we are having 5 or 6 different stocks from different sectors. So one of them is suppose TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. I told you already in some video, there are two investment style. One is growth investment and second is value investment. So growth investment is based on the growth story. Means there may not be more assets with the company, but there are more chances in the future to grow because those are upcoming sectors. And value investment means you are investing in the core sectors, means there are not more chances of the growth, but those companies are having value. So if we are talking about Tata Steel or other sectors which are involved in infrastructure or core segments, then they will grow reasonably, but their value is assuring. They have a certain value, so they will not go down in the future. So we are taking the example of TCS. TCS on money control, we are seeing the chart. There are 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year and 5 year, and max chart. Max means maximum. So maximum, you just click the maximum chart. You are having the chart from 2004 to 2014 till now. Now what is to do? You just note down the price. Suppose you take a notebook, and in 2004, if you bought twice a year, so you bought at 247 once, then you bought 290 in November, then in 2005 you bought at 337 and you bought at 358. It is random, you don't need to be quite precise. Just take randomly. In 2004 at 2 points you bought somewhere, in 2005 you bought somewhere, in 2006 you bought somewhere. So in 2006 it is 412 and 479. In 2007 you bought it at 600 and 610, 550. In 2008 it was again 480, 490. In 2009 it was 260 and 300. In 2010 it was again 600 and 750. So what are the results there? You just see. Now TCS is running 2398. So you just sum the prices of all the buyings, take the average price and see, calculate your growth. That will be the story for a single sector, single share. But IT is growing very fast. It's okay. Now we shall go for some another stock from another sector. So I am going back and we are taking some other stock. So which is that? Now I am clicking ONGC. This is ONGC. And again I am going to max chart. Max. Now you will have to write down all the prices as we did earlier. So just see here. In 2000 the price was 35 and 20 rupees. In 2001 23, 22. In 2002 55 and 60. I am suggesting you to buy once in 6 months, means twice in a year. You are not timing anything, you are buying anywhere. You may buy on the peaks even. In 2003 it was 80, 110. In 2004 it was 140, 150. In 2005 it was 160, 170. Now you can notice one thing. In the beginning, in these 3 or 4 years, there is no more growth. Means this growth is quite simple. For 2 or 3 years you are getting hardly 10-15%. In 2007 it was 220 and 230. In 2008 it was 300 and 320. Then 260. Again I am going for the prices. Now ONGC is running 411. So here you will also calculate the same way. Buying price of all the years, plus them, divide by the number of shares, get the average price, and then you see in how many years what is your gain in this sector, this stock. So you are having such 5, 6 or 10 stocks from 10 sectors. And what is the risk there when you are investing for 10 years or 15 years or 20 years? So that will give you clear cut results expected for your investment. So that is the greatest experiment what I told you to do. If you are doing this, you will become a wise investor during the process only, and you will be out of all the doubts, all the fears. Thank you very much. Bye.